Quick little video here following up on some of the DD-1 versus oscilloscope conversations that we've been having lately. Have this Alpine, it's brand new. Model numbers right there. I have the DD-1 CD in here right now, track 1, 40 Hertz, 0 dB track, and volume, we can just put it wherever. Let's say we put it there. And that's what the DD-1 says, distorted. This is what the scope looks like. So how are you going to see that distortion on a scope? You can turn it higher, turning it up, turning it up, turning it up. You see a wave like that on a little handheld oscilloscope and you're going to think, oh, that's fine, there's nothing wrong with that wave. DD-1 says otherwise. Well, here's more evidence. Here's our Hewlett-Packard distortion analyzer, and there's the distortion right now, 2.4% on this waveform right here. You're not seeing that on a handheld oscilloscope or even this oscilloscope. That's why the DD-1 is a powerful tool. We've just found that this head unit is defective. Doesn't matter where I put the volume, the DD-1 is showing distortion all over the place. And in fact, if I back it down far enough, there's a point where the DD-1 just shows distortion and not even signal yet. I think our track changed. Right there. So this is track 1, 40 Hertz, 0 dB track. Volume is pretty low right now. The scope looks like this. If I rescale the scope to make this bigger, so scope looks like that. Distortion analyzer looks like this. It's not clipping. We're nowhere near clipping right now. The voltage is only half a volt coming out of the head unit. This is a 4-volt head unit, so it's nowhere near clipping, but it's distorting like crazy and you can't see it on your scope. That's the summary here. The problem is that the A to D converters in this head unit are likely clipping because somebody didn't do their math right, missed a decimal point somewhere. So there you go, another video demonstrating the power of the DD-1 over the oscilloscope.